Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back over to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video, we have a new installation for the truck. Today we got a radar detector, and I also have the mount as well for the rear view mirror, so I will be able to mount this up. And I'll show you guys exactly how to mount this. So this, and then the detector inside. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like and why I purchased it. Alright, so here's the radar detector that we got, and opening it up right here, we have the actual radar, and then on the bottom we have, how it plugs into the 12 volt, and so it's going to go right here, and I should be able to mount it up right there. So that is super cool stuff, and here is the detector. If you're wondering where I got this, I'm actually gonna have a link in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. If you like this video, you want to go ahead and purchase it yourself, this will be in the link in the description. And then finally I have the radar mount. So the reason I decided to get this was because I do a lot of highway driving, and I would like to know, and be safe and not get a ticket, to have a radar detector, because what happens is when the police or something, they shoot their radar gun, it will detect and go out and tell you, like, hey, there's somebody in the area shooting their radar gun or whatever it is. So it actually saves you from, it goes miles and miles away. So because as you may know, when you pass a cop and you just try to slow down, he saw you already miles and miles away. He already clocked you way before you even saw that he was there. So it doesn't work like, oh, I saw him. No, he saw you a while ago. He just decided to let you go. So using one of these, they actually is legal in Florida, which is good. I don't know about other states, but I know Florida is legal to actually use these. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and we'll catch you guys when it's installed. All right, so I just opened this up, and it's crazy looking. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to actually install this. And here's the instructions, and I'll put the camera up here so I can kind of show you where it's gonna go and how it's gonna fit and everything. But there's a couple of parts in here, so we'll go ahead and read the instructions right here and figure it out. Okay, so apparently the first step right here is to take this and this right here and go ahead and use the wrench and attach the screws to the bottom. So for example, we're going to do this and go ahead and put the screws in. Alright, step 2 is we take this clamp here and go ahead and clamp it to the rear view mirror. So let's go ahead and do that. Apparently you're supposed to clamp it behind the mirror. So, well, that's not good. So, this, put it behind the mirror. Okay, so here it is, and that's what it looks like from the back. And like I said, I just tightened those 2 bolts there and there. You just tighten it with the Allen wrench, and then tighten this so it holds up like that, and it looks clean. So let's go ahead and go to the next step. See, this piece does not fit on this. It's a slightly too wide, so you're gonna have to file that piece down a little bit just so you can try to fit it. See, it's just slightly. Like, I don't even know what measurement that is. It's like not even a millimeter. Right, so we were able to finally get it in after doing that Dremel. So we'll be able to go ahead and mount this up here again, just like that. So I have the screws here, and actually pull this out a little bit more. Now, this can go on. All right. Now, this piece plugs in.
The GPS starts. Please fasten your safety belt. Highway mode.
Nice. All right, so here it is. And I have to do something about this wire because I'm not really a fan of how that wire looks. But that's how it is and that's how it looks. And it is on highway mode. You can actually press this.
City mode.
Put it on city.
Highway mode.
And you can go down in volume or up. There you guys go. That's it right there. Alright, that does it for you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment and like. And subscribe. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. If you're wondering what I've done to this truck specifically, I have a link in the description to every mod I've done so far, and you can go ahead and check it out. If you want to check out this, this is the box right here, and the mount, I will have a link in the description where you can go ahead and purchase this on Amazon and get it for your truck or your car. So I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.